This is episode 2 of the Python web scraping tutorial series. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a basic web scraping class file, which can be applied to pretty much any automation project you want to make. From Drisham page, we're going to import web page and Chromium options. From the common sections, we're going to import keys, buy, and actions. Don't forget to import OS. Now, create a class for the crawler. In the init function, create a variable self.options holding Chromium options. Some basic options are headless and muted mode. Next, we set up a downloads folder if we ever want to download anything. Just put this code down and set options.setDownloadPath to the path that you made. Declare self.page to web page with Chromium options set to the options we made earlier. Finally, create two lists, self.tabs and self.action. Declare a new function called actionSetup, which takes in the parameter num_tabs. First, we need to get the current tab and add it to the self.tabs and self.actions. Next, we can create a for loop for each tab remaining. Each loop, we will do the same thing that we did earlier for the first tab. Finally, we can go back to the init function and call self.actionSetup. With all that done, you can create an instance of the class and it should open up the amount of tabs and there should be 0 errors. In the next video, I'll teach you the various functions you can use, which might make your web scraping projects more easier. If you have questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If any of this helped, it would make me very happy if you subscribed.